Hi guys, it's our last day here on vacation. I've got Ronnie over here. Say hi.
Well, hello everybody. We love you. Hey, I'll tell you what, we're just eating our last piece of sausage here in Tennessee.
Yeah, our last piece of Tennessee sausage. Anyways, it looks like we beat our entire group down here. I think it might be just a couple minutes after 7 this morning. So we're doing really good, and we already have our suitcases here, and this is our last day, and we will be sleeping in our own beds tonight. It's hard to believe that we've done this much in such a short time.
We had to do it again next week.
Oh gosh, I got up this morning and I was aching and paining.
We've done a lot of walking, haven't we, baby?
A lot of walking.
But you know what? Actually, I'm doing all right.
Yep. So we're going to eat my breakfast. You can see what I got. Got a big cup of coffee. We're going to get our day started good, and we're going to take you guys along with us. Today we're going to the Hermitage, which is the General Jackson's estate. So come along with us as we go. I think we're walking towards the mansion. This is General Jackson's estate. What'd you say there was 1,200 acres?
1,200 something acres here. This is huge.
It's beautiful. I think our horse is up here somewhere. Oh Lord. It's like the gravel got really dense and my feet were like sinking trying to walk.
Must be, here's what the country was like. I didn't even have, oh yeah, there's a...
Looks like they're doing a little bit of backyard construction or side yard construction. Okay, it's about to change to, there you go.
There's a ramp also.
Now look at that, ain't it pretty?
Nice breeze.
Back of the mansion, the backyard. They're doing a little bit of construction work on the pillars. But look at all this. It's so beautiful back there. Now we are in the garden. Oh, we lost them. Wow, this is beautiful. family tombstone over here, graveyard. And this is President General Jackson's tomb. It's where he's buried. Look how pretty all this out here is. Couldn't have gotten a better weather day to be here. It is beautiful. The side of the mansion. So pretty. And you can see sometimes the butterflies, which I can't really see if I'm picking up, but there's butterflies back here. And they are it is so pretty. Yeah, I see some. They're so pretty back there.